Hello everybody, I'm Shelly. If you're new here, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really actually do appreciate it because I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. So I picked up some Haus Lab mystery bundles in case you didn't read the title when you clicked on it. And I don't have a whole lot of experience with Lady Gaga's brand Haus Laboratories. But the Haus Lab mystery bundles I thought would be a fun way to get introduced to the product a little bit, or the product line a little bit more, to the brand, and just kind of, I don't know, get a better feel for it. Didn't know what to expect, and I've had some really good luck with certain mystery bundles and trying different brands. I did one for Huda Beauty, I did one for Pure, Profusion I think I've done some for. So anyway, I thought this would be kind of a fun way to try it. Let's get into, I bought both. I bought both the small and then the larger size bundles. Let me show you what I got. So this I've noticed, and I did buy her birthday kit collection. I'll try to link the video right here. But anyway, I did buy her birthday collection with a couple other products, and before I bought more products, I thought I would try this mystery bundles and see what I got here first, because it was a fun way to do it. Okay, but I noticed that in the last kit that I bought from her off the website included one of these little cards, and she does say in here, when I was young I never felt beautiful, and as I struggled to find a sense of both inner and outer beauty, I discovered the power of makeup. Didn't we all? I remember watching my mother put her makeup on every morning, basking in the glow of her power to put on her bravest face as the hardworking woman she was. I then began to experiment with makeup as a way to make my dreams of being as strong as my mother become true. It was then that I invented Lady Gaga. I found the superhero within me by looking in the mirror and seeing who I wanted to be. Sometimes beauty doesn't come naturally from within, but I am so grateful that makeup inspired a bravery in me I didn't know I had. I come to accept that I discovered my beauty by having the ability to invent myself and transform. They said I was weird, but really I was just born this way. Love, Lady Gaga. So that goes along with her whole brand image and things like that. And I think that speaks to a lot of us who felt less than perfect. I mean, does anybody feel perfect? I've got 2 pouches in this box, so let me move the box out of the way. These are what the 2 pouches look like. This one is a smaller one, this one's a bigger one, so let's look at the smaller one first. I have another one of these pouches. Actually, you know what? They might be good for the Jen Atkins Elf collection. Sorry, Lady Gaga. This actually might be the perfect size for that. So the first one has a pouch which I think is counted as its own separate item. I have one of those already, and then you get 4 other items in it. The first one is a Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. I'm thinking this is an eyeshadow, right? This is in Rose. Oh yeah. So this is like a similar component. Now, one of her, the reason why I got into this and decided to start is I really, really love her lip gloss. I think I have Venus, and I love it so much. All right, so that is a purple eyeshadow. A shimmery eyeshadow. I'm gonna probably regret patting this on with my finger. I just wanted to see if I could get it to kind of buff out and what it would look like if you were to, I'm sorry, my nails are trash right now. I've been using a lot of like at-home press-on nails, and my nails are just super weak. Actually that's really pretty. Okay, so that ended up a lot sparkly there than I thought it would be. Let's see if it dries down and what that looks like. But anyway, I've been doing these liquid nails, and I've got one nail that splits this way, which is so weird, but it gets to the end and then it just breaks. So I'm trying some treatments to see if I can get it to strengthen up and regrow and not split. And everything I've said is just like, hey, it's just old. Your nails are not as young as they used to be. Okay, the next thing in here is a La Riot Gloss, Ultra High Shine Gloss. Color here, Blaze is the name of this. Boy, that sounds like it could be a bad choice. But I do like that eyeshadow. I will try that. You guys getting more and more into cream products these days? Cream blushes and cream stuff. Okay, so this is, that doesn't seem like a Blaze. I would have thought a bright red. It's actually a really pretty kind of dusty rose color. Actually goes pretty darn well with that eyeshadow. I would wear those 2 together. Okay, so far so good. Next up is this is in the shade Cocktail, Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Cocktail. I do have another one of these, and I really like it, except for, I mean, the formula is super creamy. I got it in that birthday kit, but it's, the color is just too corally for me. This one might be another one of those. Oh yeah, see that almost looks like a fluorescent lip color. I don't think it's the same one. Maybe. You know what? This would be might be pretty fun this eyeshadow palette that I promised somebody I would do a video on, and I still haven't done it. It's sitting here waiting for me to do that. It'd probably be really pretty with that. Okay, and then the last thing in the small kit is this right here, which looks like, I'm guessing, an eyeliner. It's called Creep, and it says Identify, with the play on the spelling for I of E-Y-E. You guys are wondering what's on my face right now? I did a whole other video on little elf balm, including the Jen Atkin face palette collaboration. Okay, so, oh, this is so pretty. So this one is like a navy blue liner that is perfect for me. I love that. So, you know, I mean, as far as this little kit goes, the plasticky kind of makeup pouch, I don't think it can hold what we would consider a normal full face of makeup, but I think this gets you a nice travel size. So this might actually go with some of the stuff that I picked up recently, and like a quick face full of stuff like the Jen Atkin things, might actually put in here. And then of these 4 other products, these 3 are wins for me to try. The liquid to powder eyeshadow, the lip gloss, and the eyeliner. I love that. This color of lip liner, we're gonna have to try that. We're gonna have to try it with some different looks and see it. I almost feel like sometimes those corally colors can make your lips look, or make your teeth look a little yellow. I drink a lot of coffee, so I don't need that. Okay, let's look at the larger of the pouches here. This is a different one. This actually, I don't want to say it feels nicer, because the other plastic is actually a very heavy one. But this one says, Our House, Your Rules, Haus Laboratories. And then again, it says Your Rules, Haus Laboratories, Our House, Your Rules. So it's got that kind of embossed in it. It feels nice. The inside is lined with a nylon. So I guess that's good for spills, but frankly, it kind of makes it feel a little cheap. Okay, so in this one I'm sure that the pouch is considered one. We got another 7 products in addition to that pouch. Is my mouth right? Yeah. Okay, so let's grab the first one. Open it up. Let's see what's in here. Oh, another La Riot gloss. This one is in shade Blaze. So I got 2 Blaze. I'm not going to swatch that one. I actually might put it in the giveaway. Once I hit 400 subscribers, I'm going to do another giveaway. That was my husband's idea, by the way. Okay, so the next thing in here is called Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer to Powder. And this one is in shade Legend. So I did get powder eyeshadow right there in the first one. So we're going to swatch this right next to it. It's kind of like a gold color. All right. It is a super, super sparkly, iridescent gold. I'm patting it. I'm just patting it on to see what it does. It thins out pretty well. It's actually much, much softer than I thought it would be. I'll put a little bit more on here. Okay, yeah, it feels like a very thin formula. So I'd be curious to see how this dried down on eyelids. I need to come back and try this. It's very pretty. That actually might be really pretty on like a shoulder or a collarbone in the summer. I need to get this off my finger before I touch something else. Next in here is another Eye Defy. This is in the shade Aura, and I'm glad I got the blue one because I used to wear a lot of blue eyeshadow and then I stopped. Okay. Oh, this is a white. You know what? All right, I just quickly put a little bit of that on my inner waterline to see if it would open my eyes a little bit, and I think this would actually probably be a really pretty graphic liner if you're into super creative eye looks. I don't know about white. I want to get better at the choosing different colors for inner waterline. I do it and then I think, okay, that just looks different to me. Okay, this one's the Liquid Eye Lift Liner. Oh, I did have one of her liquid liners. Is it in here? No. I'm gonna have to go find it because, oh wait, is that it? Yeah. So I got one in her birthday kit too. This one's in the shade Punk. Which one is this? Oh, this is also Punk, but it's a smaller, tiny one. Is it the same thing? Oh yeah, small little liquid liner. Try to get it where you can actually see here. That's actually cute. And I'm not normally a fan of liquid eyeliners, and the Lady Gaga one actually worked really well for me. I had no issues with that, which is shocking. Okay, the other one is another RIP lip liner. I did pick up another one, but I don't think it's shade ABC like this one is. Let's try this. When I bought her birthday kit, I did pick up a couple of the products, like I said, so it gave me a chance to kind of try a couple things. Well, that is beautiful. That is a great, great lip liner for me. Love that. That lip liner and then the gloss from the first kit. Perfect. Okay. Influencer is a Le Monster lip crayon, matte lip crayon. So let's see what Influencer looks like. Influencer? Influencer. I've been doing Influencer lately, you guys, and I finally got my second Vox box. Okay, so this is super light. Wow, okay. You know what? I can see maybe using that with the, you know, if you take that other lip liner and do your whole lips with it and then maybe put a little bit of this in the center. I actually don't mind my lip combination right now, so I'm not going to do it, but that's how I would probably use that. Kind of this like dusty pink color. All right, and the last thing on there was another L'Oreal lip gloss. This is in shade Thorn. That sounds like it could be dangerous, huh? Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Not at all what I was expecting. Okay, you know what? As far as like reds go, that actually might be pretty because it's more of a blue red. Okay. Okay. So out of all of the second of the packs, I did get a duplicate of one gloss between the two, which kind of makes me feel like, okay, so do they just have the same kits and they send it out to everybody? Or do they pack them and somebody just missed that I got two of the same? Don't know. But in the meantime, I got a red gloss, another eyeshadow. This lip crayon, the lighter pink color, it's going to be one that I have to wear with something else. For my coloring, I would just completely lose my lips and it would just be flat, in my opinion. The lip liner looks fantastic. I do like the liquid eyeliner, if it's the same formula as the bigger size one. This white, maybe we'll play with that and we'll just kind of see. But that is everything I picked up in this purchase of my Haus Laboratories stuff. Now, I do have both eyeshadow palettes that she came out with. Should be right here. I have her Glam Room Volume 1 or Glam Room Number 1 palette, which looks like this, and I can see how all of those products would actually work really well with it. And then I did pick up her Stupid Love palette. And I don't think she's come up with another eyeshadow palette, but this is the Stupid Love palette. I did a video on this too. I'll link it here. And it's fun. I think, you know, if you just see all those blues and you're not a blue eyeshadow person, that's going to be super intimidating. But if you cover up that, you got a largely, you know, neutral, more wearable palette, and then you throw in a pop of color, a little bit more useful. So I'm not trying to sell you guys on this stuff because I don't get anything in PR and I bought this with my own money. I'm a little bit more inspired to try that palette again now. I think with the current warm weather months, it might be kind of fun to try something different. Oh, and I did pick up her birthday eyeshadow palette. Love that. I don't even know where it is. Where is it at? Honestly, I'm not even sure where I put it, and that leads me to believe that it's somewhere waiting for me to try it again to see if I like it better a third time. So, sorry, you guys. I suck at reviews. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys kind of some Haus Laboratory stuff, what you could maybe expect if you were to buy one or both of those pouches for you guys. I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope you guys are adjusting to new seasons and that you're optimistic about the direction of things and you're feeling pretty good. I needed to do some filming because I was kind of feeling like I was in a funk today, and now I do feel a little bit better. So I'm gonna go be productive, and I'm gonna wish you guys nothing but love and happiness, and until my next video, bye for now.